How to reset your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily factory reset your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for settings, or you can also simply search in for reset. So once you search in for reset, you'll be getting this option that is reset this PC option under the system settings. So simply open it. So once you open it, you can see there's an option called reset this PC, which will let you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstall the Windows. So you only have to do this if your files has been corrupt internally on your device in your PC or laptop. So you can basically choose these two options from between two options, like keeping your files and resetting it, or you removing completely everything and simply resetting it. So choose any one of these according to your choice and simply follow the on-screen instruction, and you should be resetting PC just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.